Alright, let's dive into AFB liquid culture in a BSL-3 lab, something every lab tech needs to have down cold. So why all the fuss about BSL-3 for acid-fast bacilli, or AFB? It's simple. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is one tough airborne pathogen. Even a little slip can mean a big problem. That's why BSL-3 labs are built like mini fortresses. We're talking negative pressure to keep the bugs in, HEPA filters to scrub the air, and access so tight you need clearance just to step inside. And PPE? It's non-negotiable. I suit up with an N95 mask or a PAPR, a Tyvek suit, and double gloves every single time. All my work happens inside a Class 2 biosafety cabinet. That's my first and last line of defense against aerosols. Let's break down the steps. First, sample collection, usually sputum, but it could be other specimens. Next, decontamination. I use the NALC-NaOH method to wipe out other bacteria and let the mycobacteria shine through. After that, it's time to inoculate the sample into a liquid medium. Think MGIT 960 system. This is automated, so it keeps an eye on the tubes, watching for any signs of growth for up to 6 weeks. If I get a positive culture, that's not the end of the road. I still have to identify what's growing. Molecular tests or biochemical methods come in handy here. And if it's Mycobacterium tuberculosis, I run drug susceptibility testing to figure out if it's resistant or not. That's key for treatment decisions. Now let's talk reporting. Here's a sample format you can use in your lab. Patient name, age, gender, specimen type, date of collection, date of report, test performed, AFB liquid culture, like MGI at 960. Then the results positive for Mycobacterium tuberculosis complex, positive for non-tuberculous mycobacteria, negative for AFB or contaminated, repeat sample needed, add smear microscopy results, culture detection time, identification method, and whether drug susceptibility testing was performed. Don't skip the remarks. A positive result means viable mycobacteria are present. A negative result doesn't rule out TB completely. Always check the clinical context. And contaminated samples? You'll need a new one. Finally, sign it off. Only authorized personnel should report these results. That's not just policy, it's safety. If you want a downloadable version of this reporting format, or need it tweaked for your own workflow, just let me know in the comments. Stay safe, stay sharp, and keep those cultures under control. Thanks for watching.